Stress, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. In this video, I will share you another newly launched base meme coin here, another free character meme coin, new free character meme coin 2025. You can see it's rare to snap. 0.4 times $0.45 current price. They dropped by 44% because since last 3 days this meme coin was continuously pumping here, and right now more than 5 cent like changes has listed this coin within just 3 days. So this is amazing performance from this coin. You can see right on the right, and free character meme coin. I'll show you all further details here, including its matches and likes and listing, its price prediction. So you have to just for the complete video here. First, you see chart is looking good. Okay, coin launch here, make a massive pump, and right now we are here. Okay, almost 50% down than its all-time high. You can see market cap is good, $7.7 million dollars market cap. So no doubt market cap is amazing, $17.7 million dollars market cap within just 3 days of its launching. $29 million trading volume. So this is amazing, friends. You can see $29 million market cap, 420 billion supply, all in circulation. Ethereum ecosystem coin. You can see, friends, meme coin in Ethereum chain. We are 49% down than its all-time high. That was 16 hours ago, and 4,000% up the initial time low. So this is amazing. You can see, friends, coin was launched with 5 zeros and kill almost 1 0 back its all-time high. So this awesome performance from this coin. Just 3 days old meme coin, and this amazing performance because 4,000% pump, and right now as market's also looking hot, so that's why this meme coin is pumped huge here. Albank, MEXC, Arbit, BingX, Bitmart. Okay, and Bilexi Hybrid has already listed this coin, and some Ethereum dexes, VIX exchanges also list this coin. If you not have MEX exchange account yet, I provide you MEX exchange link in description where you can sign up and complete your KYC. Both are very simple. After that, you can buy all newly launched meme coins before listing on major central exchanges. Of course, not 5, but more than 10 central exchanges has already listed this coin within just 3 days of its launching. So this is really amazing performance from this coin. Okay, you can see I think its website is similar to Hoppy Coin's website because Hoppy, another metaphor character, frog theme meme coin, but this is red theme meme coin. You can see, I think there are many similarities in both meme coins website. You can see out of the red website is looking good. You can see the free editor hint a new book featuring Rato the Red. Okay, so this is going to be launched maybe soon. That is featuring Rato the Red, and you can copy his official content address there. It's all further details. That is name is Sato, and total supply is 420 billion coins, zero buying selling tax. And phase 1, phase 2, you can read out all by yourself. Also, website is looking good. You can see, friends, join May 2025. Okay, just I think 5 to 10 is, days ago, coin is launched here, and this account, you can see, friends, X account has 3,821 followers. This is amazing. This is really amazing. 3,800 followers within just few days of its launching. It's really amazing. You can see, friends, it's recent to it, and BingX has recently listed this coin, and major centralized exchanges listing are continue here. Rato with Pepe. So this is good. And social community is no doubt looking good, friends. You can see Bitmart has also listed this coin 2 hours ago, and Polanix has listed, BingX has listed. So its major central exchange listings are also continue here. So this is good. Friends, now my price prediction about this meme coin is that as this current market is just $17.7 million, trading volume is amazing. That is $29 million. We are almost 50% down than its all-time high. But friends, because right now market is very hot, mostly meme coins are 5 to 10x within just last couple of days. So that's why again we have meme coin season back in crypto market. That's why it's a new mat free character meme coin, and maybe it's possible in short term this coin can dump, but in long term now this meme coin has potential to be the next $1 billion market coin, and maybe we can see it's another major central exchange listing also because just 3 days more than 10 central exchanges already list this coin. And friends, personally, still I did not invest in this coin, but maybe I can buy this coin for short term, maybe for just $10 for long term, and in short term, maybe I can do maybe a few trades in this coin in short term. But in long term, I'm going to buy this coin for $10. I will share you my buying proof on my Telegram channel. So link in description. You can also join my Telegram channel.